Hi everyone. This is advice to all bloggers, small bloggers like me. With my experience, I know. Just keep continue watching other people contents. Even if the person didn't follow you or did not subscribe you. Reels or Facebook or YouTube or TikTok, just continue watching. Eventually, if you watch like maybe 20 or 15 on that people, content creator or bloggers, eventually someone will get back to you, because that's what's my experience. But I notice it, if it's 3 months, 2 months, that person that I watch every day, the bloggers, that they doesn't get back to me to like scratch your back, scratch mine, or something like that. Like I watch your content, but you don't watch my content. I don't, after 2 to 3 months, I don't watch anymore her content or his contents or that content or your contents. Because you know why? It's in the social media. It's helping each other. I watch your video, you watch mine. But if you don't, I will unfollow you. I unfollow you, unfollow that person. That's why I do, and I do not watch anymore your contents or them contents. And that's what I found out myself. So I don't bother. But just continue watching the other content as well, because I'm sure someone will get back to you, will watch your content. That's what's my experience. So I hope I can help you guys, and you see this video, please like and comment, and can you please share this video. And thank you very much for all my followers that always there for me. And right now we're going lunch. I'm going for lunch with my husband. Thank you so much.